At the heart of East Africa, where land meets ocean and global trade converges, lies one of the region's most vital economic gateways, the Port of Mombasa. This strategic maritime hub continues to play a defining role in connecting nations, enabling commerce and driving industrial growth across the region. In 2025, cargo volumes at the port increased significantly, reflecting rising demand in imports, exports, and transit trade. As activity intensified, the port became faster, busier, and more complex than ever before. However, with this rapid growth comes increasing operational pressure. Berths and key structures are under greater strain. Ship-to-shore cranes and lifting appliances are operating under continuous cycles. Container yards are reaching higher stacking densities, while logistics corridors and inland depots are pushed to their limits. This surge in throughput inevitably leads to equipment fatigue, accelerated wear and tear, and a higher risk of mechanical failure or operational incidents. In such a high-intensity environment, safety and reliability cannot be left to chance. This is where CMS plays a strategic role. CMS provides critical technical services that support the safe and efficient operation of port infrastructure. Through independent lifting equipment inspections and certification, CMES ensures that cranes, reach stackers, forklifts, slings, shackles, hooks, wire ropes, and all load-bearing components meet strict safety and performance standards. Using advanced methods such as load testing and non-destructive testing, CMS identifies hidden defects before they develop into critical failures. This proactive approach reduces downtime, enhances operational efficiency, and protects both personnel and cargo. In addition to equipment inspections, CMES conducts marine casualty investigations and surveys in high-traffic port environments. With increased vessel activity, incidents such as berth collisions, cargo damage, container collapses, equipment collisions, or environmental spills become more likely. When such events occur, CMES provides independent investigation services to determine root causes, support insurance and legal processes, and develop preventive recommendations that strengthen future operations. Beyond safety and operations, CMS also plays a key role in environmental governance and sustainable infrastructure development. As the port expands through dredging, berth construction, and yard extensions, environmental responsibility becomes essential. CMS supports this through environmental impact assessments, marine ecosystem evaluations, air and noise pollution monitoring, port waste audits, and hazardous material compliance checks. These assessments ensure that industrial growth remains aligned with environmental protection standards and regulatory requirements. By integrating environmental considerations into infrastructure planning, CMES helps ensure that economic expansion does not compromise ecological integrity. The Port of Mombasa is also a critical export gateway for Kenya's key commodities, including tea, coffee, horticultural products, minerals, and manufactured goods. Efficient port operations directly influence the country's global trade competitiveness. Through improved safety, reduced cargo damage, minimized operational disruptions, and enhanced turnaround times, CMS contributes to strengthening Kenya's position in international trade markets. Ultimately, cargo growth at the Port of Mombasa represents both an opportunity and a responsibility. It is an opportunity to expand trade, improve infrastructure, and drive regional development. But it is also a responsibility to ensure that this growth is safe, efficient, and sustainable. Through its expertise in inspection, investigation, and environmental compliance, CMS acts as a strategic enabler of maritime development. It ensures that expansion is not only faster, but smarter, safer, and more resilient for the future. As East Africa continues to grow, CMES stands at the center of this transformation, supporting a port that is not only a gateway for trade, but a benchmark for safety, sustainability, and operational excellence.